Iron ore is the main element of steel supply chain, and if we are able to have the iron ore right here in Ghana, the biggest challenge today we are facing about our raw material shortage that will really finish, and not only will be able to produce a more quantity of steel, but at the same time the quality of steel production will also go high. We'll bring in new innovations, it will create more jobs, and it will add in value to Ghana's economy. I think value addition is the most important aspect for any industrialization for any country. So I think with the value addition, we'll be able to scale up the economics, and we'll be able to produce not only the basic products, but we can produce our products which are related to the automobile industry, construction industry, oil and gas industries. I think the most important aspect we will say about the government will be that how they can try to protect the local industries by putting an anti-dumping of the steel products, which are cheap products which are imported into the Ghanaian market. As we see that Ghana is really becoming self-sufficient in production of a lot of steel products. So the products which we are able to produce right here in Ghana, they need to protect those industries so that we are able to produce more and more made in Ghana. So not only we will be saving millions of dollars into the foreign currency, at the same time we'll be also employing thousands of Ghanaian workers. I think the biggest challenge what we have for the green steel production is that finance costs available and the technologies which are still not available in this part of the world. So we have to bring in the imported technologies and the finance, which is at a much costlier price currently. But with the current worldwide situation, it has become very important that we invest more and more into it and bring in the better technologies so that we are able to produce more greener steel. The most important will be how we can produce a more renewable energy, how we can have the process of scrap metals, how we can bring in efficient things, bring in greener energy like solar. It is today, as the AfCFTA is coming in, and Ghana, where we are located, is an ideal location where we can export into the many different markets. With the ECOWAS already existence and AfCFTA coming in, I think our scale of economy, which is very important in any business, and especially into the industrialization and production of steel, this is really going to benefit, because now we are not only looking at the West African market, but we are looking at the whole Africa as a continent. There is a huge demand of steel is there, and Africa is going through a lot of construction phases. So I think this will add an economy of scale where we will be able to produce quality steel at a competitive rate because of the scale, and we will not only be able to compete within the African markets but to the global players as well. And we are very proud to say that AfCFTA headquarters is based in Ghana. That is an additional advantage. I'm sure it will go a very long way to foster steel industry in Ghana and beyond.